99 mile an hour now.
Here we go. This is a second attempt, 98 miles an hour this morning. We're going to go for the big ton. Tasty. Yep.
Cheater holes locked up.
Yeah, look what we've done here. We've actually taped over the cheater holes.
Tasty.
So that may work or may not. Maybe it's a bit of a cheat, who knows. So this is the jack-up. Right.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Slower, jack-up. It's slower. Oh! Fucking hell, Jack, you alright, man? Oh, fucking hell, you okay, man? Jack has done to my fucking plane. It's fucking wrecked it. You want to see his chest?
You flew straight into me. I'm just taking a 30 mile.
Tasted it. But you'll take it, I'll repair it.
30 miles an hour. Fucking hell, I tell you, I thought I was
take
gone.
30 mile an hour impact in the chest with a Hawk. Still walk away.
Grab that gun. Is it red?
I mean, I had the throttle shut. I mean, she was coming in on the glide, you know. I mean, fuck.